Finding out more about where our food is coming from, Greg Foot has headed to the Netherlands, where there is a drive to bridge the gap between farmer and consumer by creating more openness within product supply chains.
This orange juice is special. It's got its own digital record that can tell us a lot about its production. It's known as its blockchain. It's a digital record of the supply chain all the way from producer right down to consumer. And the blockchain for this juice begins almost 10,000 kilometres away in the orange-growing regions of Brazil.
We're located in the center of the state of São Paulo, also the heart of the citrus belt in Brazil. Consumers nowadays want to understand where the products that we're buying are coming from. We want to understand the origin. We want to understand if these products have been produced in a manner that we agree with from an environmental standpoint, a social standpoint, and a quality standpoint. We have an integrated traceability system, and in this system, we're collecting information incorporated in the blockchain from growing the fruit, the harvesting, the juicing, the concentrating of the product, the transportation, and finally the distribution. The technology itself has enabled us to be able to give visibility to the end consumer on all of these different steps. This information is vital for us to manage our operation, whether it's our farms, our industry, our distribution, and eventually our delivery.
Having completed the ocean leg of its journey, the juice arrives at this bottling plant in the Netherlands. To find out a little more about blockchain, I've come to meet Commercial Director Alexander van Assu. I'm interested in what information you actually get at each step of the journey.
Okay.
Let's record this as we go.
From the port in Santos, Brazil, it's been transported to the port in Ghent.
Transport to port, transport across the Atlantic.
It gets transported here in big trucks, so we will add the water that was extracted in Brazil.
Okay, processing. And what are you recording into the blockchain at this stage?
The production time, the batch number, the production date, and this is what leaves our factory. And then it's for consumers to buy. And by scanning the QR code on the bottle, they can see the total blockchain and all the steps that the product has made.
So we've got 9 blocks of information. These now represent our entire blockchain.